Ever worry about the security of your financial data online? With so much sensitive information floating around, especially when it comes to managing expenses, a strong password just doesn't cut it anymore. That's where two-factor authentication, or 2FA, comes in, and today we're diving deep into the Expensify authenticator app, a crucial tool for keeping your expense management secure. So, what exactly is the Expensify authenticator app? Well, it's not a standalone app developed by Expensify itself, but rather Expensify leverages and integrates with popular authenticator apps like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or Authy. Think of it as Expensify using these established, robust security tools to add an extra layer of protection to your account. When you enable two-factor authentication for your Expensify account, you're essentially telling it that you want more than just your password to prove it's really you logging in. And that something more is a time-sensitive, unique code generated by one of these authenticator apps. Here's how it works in a nutshell. After you enter your regular Expensify login credentials, you'll be prompted for a 6-digit verification code. This code isn't sent to your email or phone via SMS, which can sometimes be vulnerable. Instead, it's generated right there on your authenticator app, on your device. These codes are based on a time-based one-time password, TOTP, algorithm, meaning they refresh every few seconds, ensuring that a code is valid for only a very short window. If a code expires, no worries, just open the app again for a new one. Enabling this feature within Expensify is straightforward. You typically navigate to your account settings, find the security or two-factor authentication section, and follow the prompts. You'll often be given a QR code to scan with your chosen authenticator app, or a setup key to enter manually. This links your Expensify account to the authenticator app on your device. Why go through this extra step? The benefits are huge, especially when you're dealing with financial data. Firstly, it provides significantly increased security. Even if a malicious actor somehow gets hold of your Expensify password, they still won't be able to access your account without that constantly changing code from your authenticator app. This makes your account much more resilient against phishing attacks, password breaches, and other common online threats. Another major advantage is offline access. Authenticator apps generate codes directly on your device, meaning you don't need an internet connection or cellular signal to get your verification code. This is incredibly useful if you're traveling or in an area with unreliable network coverage. It also offers faster authentication compared to waiting for SMS messages, which can sometimes be delayed. And because your phone number isn't exposed, it adds an extra layer of privacy and protection against SIM swapping attacks. Plus, these authenticator apps are widely compatible, so you can often use the same app to secure many of your other online accounts, streamlining your overall security. It's important to remember that when you set up 2FA, you'll also be given recovery codes. These are vital. Store them in a secure, offline location, like a password manager or a printed document in a safe. These codes are your lifeline if you ever lose access to your authenticator app or device. Ultimately, using an authenticator app with Expensify isn't just about added security, it's about peace of mind. Knowing your sensitive expense data is protected by a robust, multi-layered defense system allows you to focus on what matters most, managing your finances efficiently and effectively. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.